Hello guys, so today we are going to be working with the second part of Unit 10. We have predicting the future with will. So basically we are using will to predict future events or situations. So we are predicting is because you are not sure about something, you are not 100% sure. So it's a prediction. So it says we will spend vacations in space. We won't have colonies on Mars. Again, this is a prediction. They are not sure. They are not 100% sure. They just think this is the way things will be in the future. So in here we have future continuous and also we have future perfect. We both use it to predict the future, but in different ways. So use future continuous to predict ongoing actions. Here we have an example: human beings will be living on another planet, and the negative: we won't or will not be living here. So as you can see, we are using a subject, human beings, then will, and then be, and the ing form of the verb, will be living on another planet, or we, subject, will not or won't, the negative, be living here. We can use the future continuous on different ways. You can use it to describe interrupted actions in the future. When you come tomorrow, they will be playing tennis. So basically, this thing is going to be happening, and then this other action basically is going to interrupt it. So also, again, to express actions in progress. So basically we are using it, again, as you can see here in the book, to predict ongoing actions. Actions in progress at a specific time in the future. At 12 o'clock, we will be having lunch at school. To refer to actions that are happening now and expected to continue in the future. Unfortunately, sea levels will still be rising in 20 years. So this is something, let's say, that something is happening right now and you want to make a prediction about that. Like if I say in 20 years, global warming will still be a problem. This is me making a prediction. To ask questions politely about the future. Will you be bringing your friend to the party tonight? To emphasize on future plans and intentions. He'll be coming to visit us next week. Also to describe atmosphere in the future. When I arrive at the party, everybody will be celebrating, some people will be dancing. Like, I'm just describing how the moment is going to be. Like, hey, you should come to my party. When you come here, everybody will be chilling, everybody will be dancing. So I'm just describing you the moment, a future moment. To express parallel actions or series of parallel actions in the future. She will be watching TV and he will be cooking dinner. So basically two actions happening at the same time. Then we have that we can also use the future perfect to predict actions that will be completed by a certain time. So basically, within 50 years, we will have set up a research center on Mars, or by 2050 or 2050, a company will have built a resort on the moon. So basically, I am just giving you a time frame. Like if I say within 100 years, everybody will be living on the moon. I'm just giving you a time frame, like from now to 50 years, or from now by 2050. We are in 2020, so but in 30 years, in 2050, a company will have built a resort on the moon. This is not something that I know, but basically I am just using the future perfect to say that within this time frame, this thing will have happened. So again, we are using future perfect, will, then have, and the past participle of the verb. Remember, past participle of build, built. Past participle of do, done. Go, gone. And so on. So basically this is what we have for Unit 10 for the second part. Now you guys are going to complete this exercise with the correct form of the verbs. As you can see here, more than one answer is possible. And that's it. So you're going to complete it with the correct form of the verbs that are in parentheses. Sometime in the future, building, so you complete it. Basically, this is what we have, either using future continuous or just will, or the future perfect. Remember, we use future continuous for ongoing actions, maybe two actions happening at the same time, and so on. And then we use the future perfect when I am giving you a time frame, when I am telling you, okay, so within this time, in this time frame, in 20 years, in 2 years, in 3 years, I'm gonna make a prediction, and this prediction I'm gonna be using future perfect, will, have, and then the past participle of the verb. So complete the exercise and see you guys in class. Bye-bye.